Welcome to MarineMax. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through a premier pontoon that we have today. This is a 230 Sunsation. So 230 is a 23-foot tri-toon actually. So I'll walk you through this. You can see on the outside we got this nice dark blue with the white accent up on top. The PTX, they're really known for their ride quality with that third toon right in the middle. Drives a lot like a boat. So Premier really does it right. As we come to the back here, you can see the nice swim platform. We got the nice tow bar, really tall tow bar. You can pull skiers, tubers. That thing is locked in. It's not going anywhere. So great option to have on this. With this, we did obviously this is the Mercury outboard. This is the 200 horsepower engine. So plenty of power in a 23-foot boat to get you tubing or skiing, anything you want to do out on the water. So there's a lot to see on the interior. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this Premier. So this particular layout is what they call the RF, or rear facing loungers here. So there's actually a lot of different configurations that you can do with this particular layout. So like as of right now, you can have people sitting back here facing this way. You can have people sitting here facing that way. Both of these backrests do the same exact thing. So I can lift it, I can put it right there, I can lift it again and put it all down. Same with that one, I can do the exact same stuff. So a little bit different configurations. These things back here lift up. There is storage underneath here. There's just a numerous things that you can do back into here. You got cup holders all the way around this area. We got the nice Premier paper towel dispenser. All their pontoons have this, kind of cool. The flooring is kind of that really tightly woven stuff, so works very well. You can kind of spill on it and it wipes up real easily. Also want to show you the bimini here. So this is in the up position, the booted position. You can just take this boot off, open it up. It's going to cover this area right in here. So as we move forward in the pontoon, we got the dual helm seats. Really nice, soft, cushy seat. You got your armrests on both sides. These things rotate. And then obviously the captain's chair, same kind of thing. These do go back and forward. And then we have it on the lifted deck here. So if somebody's sitting up in front, it's nice to get up above them so you can see. Pretty simple up here at the helm. We got your miles per hour, your RPM. We did add the Lowrance hook in here. So you've got your depth, you've got a little bit of a fish finder in there, and then some GPS stuff, so the different lakes that you're on, be able to tell the depths as well. We got RGB lighting. The speakers all light up. You can change the color of those just by kind of twisting this right here, and it will change to different colors throughout. So that's kind of cool. Clarion stereo. So you got your Clarion head unit right here, and you've got your speakers throughout the boat as well. We've got a nice garbage can right into here. You just open that up. Trash receptacle. You got some storage behind there. You've got some storage underneath these seats. They just pop right out. You got some nice spots right there for some drinks with some cup holders. And then you got tons of space up in the bow as well. So this is a great pontoon, great layout, really cushy seats, a little bit of everything that you're looking for when you're going on a pontoon. So give us a call to set up an appointment to see this boat or any other ones that we got, or to stop on by our Rogers location. Love to show you the pontoon. Click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the other videos we're putting out on a daily basis.